How to set up Nonser Wi-Fi Extender. Step 1. Plug in the Wi-Fi extender. Connect the extender to a power outlet near your router. Step 2. Power on the device. Turn on the Wi-Fi extender by pressing the power button. Step 3. Connect to the extender's network. On your computer or phone, connect to the Wi-Fi network broadcast by the extender, usually named something like extender. Step 4. Access the extender's setup page. Open a web browser and enter the extender's IP address, found in the manual. Step 5. Log into the setup page. Use the default username and password, usually admin/admin or as per the manual. Step 6. Select your Wi-Fi network. On the setup page, scan for your existing Wi-Fi network and select it. Step 7. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Input the password for your main Wi-Fi network to allow the extender to connect to it. Step 8. Set up extended network. Choose whether to keep the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, or create a new one for the extended network. Step 9. Save settings and restart. Save the configuration and restart the extender to apply the settings. Step 10. Place the extender. Move the extender to a location halfway between your router and the area with weak signal.